good night. First, we're going to talk about the difference between Java and C++. First, we are going to talk about Java. Java is a programming the language and computer platform that was created by Sun Microsystems in 1995. This is a underlying technology that allows that programs using pointers on games and business applications. So now we're gonna talk about why a science system engineer requires Java. There's a number of websites and applications that do not work unless Java is installed, and many more that are created daily. Java is fast, secure, and reliable. From laptops to data centers, game consoles, to scientific supercomputers, cell phones to internet, and Java is everywhere. So the main use of this program for a system engineering is responsible for solving problems and by computer systems. And so I'm gonna let you with my friend that is gonna talk about C++. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Marvin Calderon and I'm going to talk to you about what is C++. I'm from System Engineering. C++ is a programming language and this is improved on C language, with which you can create many types of programs. Besides, a big difference with the C language is that C++ has the ability to create objects and classes, like OPP, with C only allows structured programming. Now wonder, servers, why servers? C++. You can do anything that makes other high-level language. Practically what comes to mind from games, multimedia applications, programming language, operating systems, drivers, and even among other things. Following, beside this video, you are going to find a video that explains the difference between Java, that my friend Brian explained, with C++. Thank you.
Philadelphia uplink successful. Welcome back, Commander.
So let's talk about what is the difference between C++ and Java. So if you attend any interview, Java interview, they'll be asking what is the difference between C++ and Java. So you should know the answer for this question before attending any Java interview questions. Let's move on to the answering this question. Okay, here is the answer for the first question. What is the difference between C++ and Java? Java does not support pointers, because when you use pointers it creates a lot of problems, and the sense the developer has to be concentrate more on pointers instead of writing business logic. Instead of writing the program, the developers have to take care of pointers. So pointers are inherently tricky to use and troublesome. And the next point is Java does not support multiple inheritances because it causes more problems than it solves. Instead, Java supports multiple interface inheritance. Java supports multiple interface inheritance, which allows an object to inherit many method signatures, not the implementation, only the method signature. Method signatures from different interfaces with the condition that the inheriting object must implement those inherited methods. So basically the subclasses which are implementing the interfaces should give the implementation, but only the signatures will be implemented from the base class, not the code, not the reuse of code, only the reuse of signatures. The multiple interface inheritance also allows an object to behave polymorphically on those methods. So using interfaces, polymorphism can be achieved. Java does not support destructors. The next point will be it does not support destructors, but Similar to destructors, we have finalize method. Okay, for when the finalize methods will be called. Finalize methods are invoked by the garbage collector prior to reclaiming the memory occupied by the object, which has the finalize method. This means you do not know when the objects are going to be finalized. Avoid using finalize method to release non-memory resources like file handles, sockets, database connections because Java has only finite number of these resources, and you do not know when the garbage collection is going to kick in to release these resources through finalize method. To the point, finalize method will be called whenever garbage collection is running and whenever your object is not reachable. Okay, before reclaiming the object memory, your finalize methods will be called. It is like a hook. You have to utilize this hook whenever your finalize method is called. Use this opportunity to release memory resources which will be useful to optimize your memory. So utilize the opportunity whenever your finalize method hook is called. The next point will be Java does not include structures or unions because the traditional data structures are implemented as an object-oriented framework.